Ready to build your own customizable voice agent that's uniquely you? First, head over to the Retell AI website and find the Creator section. You'll likely see it prominently displayed on the homepage, or in the navigation menu. Click that to begin. Next, you will be prompted to create a new agent or to use an existing agent. If you have one, click on it to get started. Now, the fun begins. You'll be presented with options to customize your agent. You will need to give your agent a name and select a voice. Retell AI likely offers a wide range of voices, from different accents to tones. Choose the one that best fits your agent's personality. After choosing a voice, it's time to add some context. This is where you define your agent's role and purpose. Think about what your agent will do. Is it for customer service, information retrieval, or pure entertainment? Provide a clear description and background. With the description in place, you can start to add some functionality to your agent. The layout would look something like flowcharts. You can add and adjust the call flows to make your agent super smart. You can change the branching options as well to create different outcomes. Once you've built out your agent's core functions, take the time to test it out. Retell AI provides tools to simulate conversations, allowing you to fine-tune its responses and ensure it behaves as expected. It's all about trial and error, so use it. And finally, it's time to launch. Once you're happy with your agent's performance, you can deploy it for use. Share your creation so the world can see it. Congratulations! You've just built a custom voice agent with Retell AI. Now go build your voice agent.